फ्रेंड्स, सो वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। इसका नाम है क्वीन आंचल अनबॉक्सिंग स्टेशनरी एंड इजी क्राफ्ट्स। सो टुडे इज सैटरडे एंड मैंने आपको बोला था मैं सैटरडे एंड संडे को बनाऊंगी वीडियोस। तो आज मैं करने वाली हूँ अनबॉक्सिंग एंड शोइंग माय यूनिकॉर्न स्टेशनरीज। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो। सो गाइस, अभी मैं आ चुकी हूँ। अब मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ मेरा यूनिकॉर्न स्टेशनरीज। So this is my unicorn bag. Look how it's cute, and it has a blue fur, so fluffy. It is blue color, and this is the ears and wings. So now let's see what's inside it. So, and look at this. This is a cute bunny. Now let's open it and see. So first we have this unicorn pouch. Is purple color and smiley sticker, and it said time to be a unicorn. And look at the cute unicorn with lots of colors. Now let's open it, and look, we have this keychain. So cute. Now let's open it. Okay, so inside we have this beautiful highlighters. So we have these 3 highlighters. This one is yellow color, and this one is pink color, and this one is green color. So let me show you what is this. So it has lots of space and pens. So first one, this. So this is a unicorn pencil, purple color unicorn pencil, and this is a magical pen. This is so glittery. It has purple, blue and yellow color. So next is this is a Dom's glitters. It has this golden color, silver color and this blue color. I like the blue color, it's so nice. So next is this is a erasers, colorful one. We have green, purple, blue, erasers. So next is this pens. So this is the unicorn blue color pencil. This is also a pencil. I have two ones. This one and this one. And next is this pink color unicorn pen. It has a cute little unicorn, pink color. And this is a blue color. Look how cute unicorn it is. It is blue color. So okay, so now next is this cute little unicorn eraser. It has 3 colors here. One is this yellow and blue and pink. Look how cute this unicorn is. So we are done this pouch. So now let's go next. This is my pink color soft unicorn diary. Here it said unicorn, and it has my sticker. And so I write this daily notes in my diary. Look, you can see. It's my diary inside, and this is the stars, and write this daily notes in my diary. It's so soft, and this is pink color, and this is unicorn. So next is this pouch that I have some erasers. This is a Hello Kitty pouch. It's a hello, and this is a Hello Kitty. Look at the cute face. Now let's open the pouch, and I will show you my erasers. So this is the first one, blue color Doraemon eraser. Look how cute is it. So next is this Pokemon. It's so cute. Look at this. Ooh. So cute Pokemon eraser. So next is these fruits eraser. They are so cool. So first is this cute little yummy banana, yellow color, and second is this yummy strawberry. It looks real. And and next is this pink color, peach, so cute and nice. And next is this purple color grapes, so yummy. So I'm done show you my erasers. So thank you guys for watching this video. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक कर देना, चैनल पे नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करना, अपने फ्रेंड्स फैमिली के साथ शेयर करना. सो मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो, तब तक के लिए बाय.